When you subscribe to AutoCAD 2019, you gain access to all the capabilities of the industry-specific toolsets and libraries, including mechanical, architectural, electrical, MEP, and more. No matter the design challenge, you'll always have the right toolset at hand. When you subscribe to AutoCAD, including specialized toolsets, you gain access to features and functionality that help you work faster and more efficiently than ever before. You can design more quickly with industry-specific capabilities that allow you to access libraries of symbols, parts, and detail components. You can work faster by automating the creation of annotation, layers, and properties. You can be more efficient by extending workflows across disciplines more efficiently. And you can do all of this while working in the familiar AutoCAD interface. Now let's take a look at each of the tool sets. Maybe you need a library standard-based parts and tools for creating and modifying mechanical designs, for manufacturing and documenting mechanical designs. The mechanical toolset allows you to speed product design by automating mechanical engineering tasks, such as generating machine components, dimensioning, and creating bill of materials. You also get access to 700,000 plus intelligent manufacturing parts, features, and symbols. Have you ever wanted to create floor plans, sections, elevations, and other drawings for building design? With the Architecture toolset, you can speed drawing and documentation with building design features. The toolset gives you access to more than 8,000 intelligent architectural objects and styles, and features specifically for architects. Or maybe you wish you had features tailored for electrical design, enabling you to create, modify, and document electrical control systems. With the electrical toolset, you can boost productivity and quickly design panel layouts, schematic designs, and other electrical drawings using a library of 65,000 plus intelligent electrical symbols. Incorporate GIS and CAD data to support planning, design, and data management. Access spatial data stored in files, databases, and web services, and aggregated it with your AutoCAD design data. Easily manage your GIS data and standard data schemata, automated business workflows, and report templates. Using specialized MEP engineering features and 10,500 plus intelligent mechanical, electrical, and plumbing objects to draft, design, and document building systems. Easily design ductwork, electrical conduit, and circuiting for HVAC, plumbing, and electrical. Use the 3D Plant toolset to efficiently produce P&IDs and then integrate them into a 3D plant design model using specialized plant design and engineering features. Quickly create schematic diagrams, plant layouts, and other drawings with our 3D Plant toolset. Use Raster to vector tools to help you edit scanned drawings and convert raster images into DWG objects. Quickly edit, clean up, and transform images. Manipulate raster entities, create vector shapes, lines and polylines, and more with our Raster Design toolset. Now you may be thinking, what is the value of these toolsets? In this example, you can see how a specialized toolset gives you a head start and how many fewer steps it takes. In this case, 5 steps down to 3. To create a wall in an architectural toolset versus AutoCAD. Imagine how that adds up over time. That's real value. Having access to specialized toolsets will help you work faster and be more efficient.